In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to your Odoo account. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly link your domain so you can take your online business to the next level. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Odoo dashboard. So, open your browser and navigate to the Odoo homepage where you can find all your website-related applications. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout since it will help later on. Next, you'll need to log into your Odoo account. Look for your profile in the top right corner of the page and click on it. From there, navigate to your databases. This is crucial because you'll need to manage the domain settings from this section. Now that you're in your database settings, click on the settings icon. This is usually located somewhere on the right-hand side. Once you've clicked on that, look for an option that says Domain Names. Click on it, as this will direct you to where you'll set up your domain for your Odoo website. After that, you will see an option that says Use My Own Domain. Click on this to start the setup process for linking your Namecheap domain. Now, you'll want to switch over to your Namecheap account. Log in and find your profile at the top of the page. Under your profiles, look for the particular domain name you want to connect to Odoo. Once you find it, click on the domain name to access its settings. Next, you'll be taken to a management page. This is where we will change some essential settings. Look for the DNS settings or DNS manager for your domain. This is typically straightforward, and once you find it, click on it. Here comes the most crucial part, adding a CNAME record. You'll need to set the host to www or any other subdomain that is relevant to your business. This is important because it's the pointer that links your domain to your Odoo database. Make sure to paste the URL from your Odoo account that you previously copied. Double-check that the information is correct and implemented carefully. Once your CNAME record is successfully added, you'll notice a confirmation message on Namecheap indicating that your changes have been saved. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before moving on. You can now return to your Odoo account and click on the Verify button. This step is essential because it ensures that Odoo can connect to your domain correctly. If all steps were performed accurately, you should see a message confirming that your verification was successful. However, don't get too anxious right away. It may take a few hours for your new settings to take effect, and for Odoo to issue your SSL certificate. This step is vital for security, so just be patient as your domain will become fully operational soon. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Odoo. Remember that patience is key during the verification process, and once everything is complete, you'll have a fully functioning website powered by Odoo. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy website building!